Right, guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to go ahead and discuss about the third IPL game, which is between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Now, this will be a game where there will be credit issues and बहुत सारे players हैं जिसके credits बहुत high है. So in the other way, you have to go ahead and आपको अच्छे players drop करने ही पड़ेंगे एक या दो if you want to make a good team. Now, as you can see the probable 11 of both the teams on your screen right now. Now there can be changes because कोई भी टीम से ये exact news नहीं है who will be their perfect 11. You will only get to know that after the toss. Now for Hyderabad, David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, they are going to go ahead and play. The confusion will be about Kane Williamson and Mohammad Nabi. Now, looking at the pitch condition in UAE at Dubai, the pitch supports spinners and medium fast bowlers. So basically, Mohammad Nabi has better chance than Kane Williamson to go ahead and play this game, but still it is not sure. Rashid Khan, definitely he is going to go ahead and play, and between Siddharth Kaul and Sandeep Sharma, anyone should go ahead and play. Now remind you, Sandeep Sharma has a good record against RCB. Out of 21 matches, out of 12 matches he has gone ahead and played against RCB. He has got 21 wickets. So he has good records against RCB and especially against Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers. Now going down to the Royal Challengers Bangalore lineup, Aaron Finch should play because he has just returned from playing cricket, but most of the players haven't played cricket for last 3-4 months because of the virus issue. But Aaron Finch, David Warner, Bairstow, they have gone ahead and played cricket in the last 2 months, and they are right now in touch with with cricket. They have played internationally, and Rashid Khan and Mohammad Nabi has also participated in other T20 leagues as well, so they are also basically in touch with cricket right now. So going down to the team, what you can go ahead and which team you can go ahead and make for the best 11 for the upcoming game. Now on the wicketkeeper section, Parthiv Patel is not sure. If Padikkal plays, then Parthiv Patel will not play. Then might be AB de Villiers has to go ahead and do the wicket keeping for Bangalore. But I think Parthiv Patel should play, and he must open the innings for Bangalore with Aaron Finch. But still, the favorite choice will be Bairstow. Riddhiman Shah very less chances of getting selected. So Bairstow will be the best option for wicketkeeper for head to head. Going down to the batting side, see David Warner and Finch you cannot drop because they are in good form. They have just played the series with England and they have scored good runs as well. So basically you cannot go ahead and drop them. They are in good touch with the cricket right now, and especially David Warner plays good against RCB as well. He has good records against RCB and he also has good records in IPL as well. So David Warner, Virat Kohli, Aaron Finch, this will be the best choices for the batting side. I have to drop AB de Villiers, otherwise there will be credit issues and I won't be able to get the other players. Now on the all-rounder section, I will go with Chris Morris or and Mohammad Nabi. In case if Mohammad Nabi doesn't play, then you can go with Vijay Shankar, and if in case Chris Morris doesn't play, you can go with Moeen Ali. It depends who will play or who will not. So basically, this two will be right now the best selection for the all-rounder section. They will be bowling 4 overs and they can go ahead and knock good runs in batting as well. Going down to the bowling side, I have picked 5 bowlers because basically it's a bowling pitch. So basically it will go ahead and help you to go ahead. If you keep more bowlers, you will go ahead and get better points. Now as I told you, if you go ahead and drop Chris Morris, you can go with Yuzvendra Chahal. Otherwise I have a credit issue, so I will rather go with Rashid Khan. Dale Steyn is also questionable, but I think he should play. If he doesn't play, then the Sri Lankan player Ishuru Udana will go ahead and play. So depends, if Udana plays, take Udana, and if Del Steyn plays, he will stay in the team. Now going down to the fast bowling section of Bangalore, Navdeep Saini is the best choice. He can bowl, variables, and he has good pace, and we have seen in the last two matches, you know fast bowlers are getting good wickets, so we will definitely keep him. Now going down to the Hyderabad, you know bowling side, as I told you, Sandeep Sharma has a good record. If you do not want to go with him, you can change it to any other bowler after checking the lineup. Khalil Ahmed will be also a good choice as a seam pacer. So as because you know fast bowlers are getting wickets, so that is why I'm going ahead and providing, taking them in the team, so that you do not go ahead and lose points in the bowling section. So basically this will be, the team will be like in this way: Bairstow as wicket keeper, Virat Kohli, Finch, Warner, Chris Morris, Nabi, Dale Steyn, Saini, Rashid Khan, Khalil Ahmed, Sandeep Sharma. Now, for captain, vice captain, you never know who is going to go ahead and perform. But definitely the players who are in form, who have played cricket recently, I will go with Warner and Finch. You can also go with, Warner and Bairstow, or Finch and Bairstow also. Virat Kohli is he's the best player for our country, so basically you can use him as a captain as well. But he will be coming first down. So eventually, looking at KL Rahul yesterday, I am also trying to go ahead and go with the safe captain and vice captain, for this team. So you can go ahead and use this team for head to head. If there is any changes in the lineup for head to head teams, if you want the update, you can join the WhatsApp group. I will go ahead and provide you the link in the description. You can join over that WhatsApp group. The final team will be gone ahead and updated over there, 5 or 10 minutes before the game after the toss. So thank you very much for watching, and all the best for the upcoming game, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you.